I'm here in the centre of Grant Park, this fantastically beautiful sunny day. Behind me, you see a stage where Barack Obama will walk up tonight and address his supporters.
I'm ready to help change not only America, but like he said, the world. And I know that the world is watching us tonight. And I know that they also have the same hopes that I do, that he is going to be elected President of the United States of America.
It's a great feeling. I'm proud to be an American. I'm happy to be here in Chicago to celebrate with Barack Obama.
We're going to believe that change is possible, and again, this will lead all of us as a community and as a country.
I hope that he says, man, we're going to do this thing. We're moving forward. You know, thank you for the support, but it's still a continued effort. That's what I'm really looking for. He can't do it by himself. He has to do it with each and every one of us. Just like we showed up to the polls today to cast our vote, we have to continually show up and do what we're supposed to do our American duty to help this world be a better place.
It's time for change.